your girl.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for returning. In this video, I'll be showing my night and day routine on how I maintain my curly flip over wig. This wig is from my collection, link in bio. You will go under no lace wigs on my website, and it will be the half wig and the texture curly. So what I like to do is the pineapple method, which is putting your hair into a really loose ponytail or bun. So I'm taking this big scrunchie and I'm gathering all my hair and putting it into one ponytail. If your hair is shorter or if it's easier for you, you could also do multiple ponytails or buns. I know for my real natural hair, I do 4 of the pineapples. So 4 buns or ponytails with scrunchies that only loop around once. So after that, I'm taking this scarf thing. I don't really know what this is called for real. My grandma got it for me. It has a hole in the middle, so you could just put it on like a scarf, but it has a hole for the ponytail part. So you see here, I'm just putting that on right now, and it's going to leave the ponytail part out, and it's going to protect basically all around my hair. Feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. And this is what it looks like, and I simply just go to sleep just like this. It do look kind of goofy in the back because of the big lump right there, but it's okay because I'm just going to sleep with it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you 2 different methods that I use. One method is for when I need to refresh my curls completely, which is completely saturate the curls, put in product, and brush it through. The other method is the quicker method when the curls, let's say I just refreshed my curls the day before. So the curls will already be fresh the next day, so I'll just be wetting it a little bit and going about my day. So I'll be showing how I've completely refreshed my curls first. So I simply just take off my scarf, and then I take out the ponytail that I put in the night before. And then I'm going to completely saturate my hair with water. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. Next, I'm going to be taking this Lotta Body mousse. I'm going to be applying it onto the hair. And then I'm going to go section by section, and I'm going to detangle it with a brush. Niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bright, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise to God to the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag. Then I'm taking more mousse and I'm directly focusing on my leave out area, and I'm going to make sure I put it through, and I'm going to comb the leave out mixed with the half wig so it can blend. Also, this wig still has some product in it from the last time I put products in it, which was leave-in conditioner and some type of curling cream. So if your hair is a little dry or it's getting a little too tangled, also add that in there. Next step is I'm going to be doing my edges. I'll be using this Gorilla Snot.
push lines and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can.
This part is optional. I was kind of in a hurry, so I'll be diffusing my hair on medium heat and the speed low. So you can either skip this step and air dry it, or you can diffuse it. Okay, this is what it looks like. It was not 100% dry, but it was basically dry, just not 100%. Now I'm just going to be fluffing it out a little bit because I like my hair to be big and poofy. Here's what it looked like after it is completely dry. You can see here that my leave out blended in nicely. It's not frizzy, the curls are defined, and I'm fluffing it out a little more so I like it puffy, but it's really cute. Okay, so here's another day. This is the morning. I'll be showing you how I quickly do my morning routine when I don't need to define the curls all the way. And I'll be wearing a headband today, so that's why I put that on first. Okay, so this is the next day after I really went in and defined the curls. So you see the curls are still right there. So after I took it out the bun, I'm just spraying it with some water. I'm not completely saturating it. I'm just spraying it enough where it's not all clumped together. After I spray it enough, I'm just going to take my fingers and fluff it out a little bit. The next thing is I did my edges with the Gorilla Knot, and then I'm going to put the headband on. I'm spraying more water at the top because I could see it was still a little bit dry. And then I'm putting the Lotta Body mousse on my fingers, and I'm just running it through my hair, not going in each section. I'm just quickly doing it. And then I go back and spray any pieces of hair that's still a little dry and clump together. The last step is I finished up my edges. And that's it. So it was real quick and easy. the day before, since I defined it, everything was already like detangled and everything's pretty defined. Just needed to refresh it real quick. So that's my morning and night routine for my curly flip over. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.